You guys ready for another one? We got a big demo here this morning, huh? We are on site now. Jose and Charlito are here doing the demo and digging the footers this morning. What's up, Jose? My man. So I got the plans here for us, and I'll go over some details with you about this build. Foot wide, 33 foot long. We're okay on length, but 12 feet wide, I just don't know if that sidewinder is even going to be able to get out without jumping on that grass a little bit. So getting material in here is going to be pretty difficult. I got the dump trailer with us right now. We're getting that demo done, but we don't have a lot of space here in the driveway for the original piggyback forklift that they usually use. So I've requested a sidewinder. Material should be delivered around lunchtime while the guys are digging the footers. Get this frame done today. You guys think you're gonna be able to do it all in one day? No? Oh, come on! I should definitely be able to do it in one day. They're just teasing me. What you talking about? You can't do it in one day. Yeah, right. All right, let's hope that these footers stay dry. Good morning. I got something for you. Always be nice to your guys. So we're working on getting that ledger installed, but first we got to put the flashing up. And as usual, we're adding some new sheathing on the outside of that band. The band here doesn't look like it's in bad shape. But furring this wall out so that way it's flush with the brick really helps keep that ledger nice and plumb. So hopefully today we'll get that outside band up and possibly some temp supports and maybe even get some joist hang. All right, these guys got their hands full today. So I'm gonna give them some space and go get some office work done and check back in with them later this evening. We're back out at the job site this morning to check up on the guys and see how much progress we got done yesterday. So the inspector came and inspected the footings this morning. Everything is A-okay.
Where's my flower today?
Oh yeah, I guess we'll have to wait till the job's done to get another flower, Jose.
Yeah.
If you're a builder or if you're a DIYer looking to build your own deck, this is something that you don't want to mess up. So this is the chimney bump out wall. And if you notice here, there's no foundation underneath the bump out. Over on these areas, you can't put a ledger and put any kind of weight on this face here because there's nothing underneath to support it. So what we do is we put a double beam or double joist beam here that goes to the outside band. And then we put a double beam on the other side, which the guys are working on right now.
Queda muy pegado.
So this is going to be a double beam, and it gets a double joist hanger there on the ledger board.
Que acá se me
Then what we do
rompió esta línea.
is we put a double beam, attach it to this double beam, and attach it to that double beam with the joist hangers. This is taking that weight off of the chimney bump out wall. When you're building around one of these chimney bump outs, remember, you need the double joist beams to run this way, run that way, and then run this way right in front of it. And then you attach your joist to that face of the double beam that goes in between. Oftentimes during this process, if you don't make sure that the outside beam is totally straight, then as you're putting in your joist, that face starts to get a little wavy. There's strategies that you can implement to keep this from happening. Here in North Carolina, we struggle every year during the summertime with mosquitoes. This is a big reason why a lot of people call us to add porches to their decks. So if you're one of those homeowners that struggle with mosquitoes, give us a call. We'll come up and put a roof over that thing.
We're just getting started on this build, and there's a lot more to come. If you want to follow the entire process from start to finish, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. The next episode will take you even deeper into the build, and you're not going to want to miss it.